Hello everybody, this is Samuel from Cinema Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to make a robotic face of someone, turn anybody into a robot, and I'm going to show you how to do it just that. First of all, you need to use the application ibis Paint X on your smartphone. So using just your smartphone you can do it. So all you need to do is go ahead and import your picture into the application. Once you have imported your picture into the ibis application, you need to go to the brush and go to the selection tool and choose the type of brush you want. Increase the stabilizer and go and choose a pen kind of brush. So we are going to try and create a pen brush. If this too large, reduce the width of the brush. Then we are going to try and create that drawing on the face of our model. So we are going to do something like this. You just trace your brush and create the kind of brush size and what you want to when you feel it okay. While you are at it drawing your brush on the face of your model, just in case the tutorial is becoming too hard for you, don't worry, we have a beginner tutorial where we are going to teach you everything about graphic design and photo editing. So if you are finding out to follow with this application, with this tutorial, go ahead and check the link below and check out some of the academy's courses, and we'll be able to teach you everything you need to know about graphics on smartphone. So assuming you already have your brush already drawn and you have something like this on the face of the model, now we are going to go to Sheen and try and create another different drawing on it, and at the end of drawing it we'll have something like this part of the face that looks like a cyborg. All we need to do is go to this layers panel and go to selection layer. Of course, go to brush and we're going to go to our pen tool brush. Now we're going to try and create that our selection of where we want to cut out. We need a neatly cut area, so we are trying to the best we can neatly cut it. So we're going to try and carefully select and draw out the selected parts of the face that we want to remove, so that it's going to look like the part is selected and removed. Now after you've already selected the area you want to use, all you need to go to do now is go to the fill bucket, the fill, and we're going to try and the bucket fill to go and fill inside the part we selected. We're going to make it look like, oh, this is the whole part we want to select. We are going to go to the fill and fill inside it. And just in case it doesn't do as much job as you want, you can now go to the brush and try and brush inside where you selected, change the brush size to how you feel fit, and it's going to get that selected area. Remember, you're in the selection layer, so everything you do here is actually going to be like selecting area that needs to be selected on the main layer. So once you've selected this area you are looking for, all you need to do is go back to the picture, and you will see that the area that you selected is selected on the picture itself. Now you can go to cut and cut out the image with the selected area from the image, create a new layer, go to paste and paste it, and you will already have a different layer of that place you selected. Move it to wherever you see it fits, and you have something like this. Now deselect the area you don't need anymore. Now duplicate that one you've already deselected, that is the cutout part, duplicate it. Now the one that is below, which is the layer below, all you need to do is go to your saturation and try and make it white by using the saturation and increasing the lightness. Now next one to do is add a little bit drop shadow to that when we come to the white, so that there's going to be a kind of difference between it and the white background. So just increase and adjust the drop shadow to the way you feel is best fits for you. Once you have done that, all you need to do is go ahead and import a new image. You can use any image of any panel. Just go online and search for a panel and go and import that panel to and put it behind that model, and it's going to be just like that. The next thing you need to do is just go to the layer of where you had the drawing and go ahead and emboss it. Just choose emboss and you have something that looks like this. Now to put the image inside the embossed area, just move the image on top of it and go to the clipping mat, and once you go to the clipping mat, it's going to be done. So this might not be a detailed tutorial of how I made mine, but with your own creativity you can definitely get a good result better than this. So follow, like and subscribe, and if you want us to make an additional tutorial on this, let me know in the comment below. Till another day we see, stay creative.